If you are getting this error code, then do not need to worry at all, because I am going to give you a quick solution in this video. To do this, you need to enable two-factor authentication on your account. So you log into your Twitch account, and after that you need to go to your this profile at the right hand side and click on settings. Now you need to click this option, security and privacy. You can see the verified option is not showing, add email option is showing. So I need to add email first and then verify my email ID. So I need to click on add email address. Click on save after entering your email address. You need to enter your code you will get on your email ID. You can see verification is now completed. See, now everything is verified. You can see this verified button. Now you need to refresh this page. Scroll down on the same security and privacy page. You can see now in this page, security privacy page, there is an option of two-factor authentication. So you need to click on this, set up two-factor authentication. You need to click on here, enable. That's it, and you can simply enter your phone number and click on continue. You will get a security code in your phone number. You can either scan this image or you can enter the security code once again. Click on skip and use SMS. Click on done, and you can set up this. You can see two-factor verification is now active for me. You can set it for your application or text message as well, and that's it. You can see now two-factor verification is now active for my phone number. You can set it for your app as well, and you can scan it as well. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it, and after that doing this process, make sure to restart your PC and then try to log in again, and you will not get this error message. I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. If you still face any problem, you are free to comment and I will definitely give you a reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.